What happens if we just press the gas down and we don't let up for a change? And in 6 months, I lost 80 pounds. And I'm currently on a journey to become a certified personal trainer through the National Academy of Sports Medicine because I want to help other people lose weight too. What I really did was I prioritized protein, barbecue. Fitness Barbecue in My Mouth is the name of my channel because I am someone that loves to smoke meat. It's something that was a food source that is something that I could easily stick to eating because I love barbecue. When I realized that it was high protein and high fat and low in carbs, basically keto, it became the fuel source for all of my exercise. When I coupled that with an exercise routine that was low in intensity but long in duration, which forces your body to kind of prioritize burning fat instead of sugar, those two things kind of created the perfect storm, which is again why I lost 80 pounds in 6 months. What's in the food that I'm eating? If I make it myself, I control a lot of the ingredients. Now, if I'm prioritizing buying good ingredients to start with, single ingredient foods mostly, and when I need something processed, it has the least amount of processing done to it, that is what is responsible for my weight loss. Hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of videos in a bunch of playlists that share recipes, some of my late night snacks that I like to eat, things like this. This is an avocado brownie mousse. This thing is absolutely delicious and completely changed my life. This thing replaced Ben & Jerry's for me. There's a video, either it'll be linked or maybe it'll pop up on the screen here, I'm not sure where, but you guys can find it. Things I've told myself that I would get done my entire life have actually happened this year. The reason why? Consistency.